Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be recreating some cute DIYs that I was inspired by some amazing crafters. I'm gonna be taking these two cathedral windows that I got from Dollar Tree to create a wonderful farmhouse decor piece. Let's talk about today's collaboration. It's called Recreation Inspiration, where we recreate some DIYs from other crafters that have inspired us and we share these recreation with you guys to inspire you too. Host of this challenge is this very talented lady Amanda from Six Kids and the Glue Gun, and the guest host is another amazing crafter from the DS Art Workshop. You can check out their channel's link as well as the playlist linked in my description box below. You will enjoy watching other wonderful crafters making gorgeous recreation DIYs to inspire you. Let's jump to the first DIY. This project is my first inspiration DIY from a crafter, Lisa, at Lisa and Company. She made very cute different windows DIYs in her video. I have her video link in my description box below, and let's go started. I've been using these two cathedral windows. I'm removing the square piece in the front. Then I'm removing any of the screws in the back. It's two part, so I'm using the white part. We are going to cut one part of this window to attach it to other one to make a slightly longer door. I'm going to use my hand saw that come with my mirror box, so I'm just going to cut it right here. This door represents our school where I work. I really wanted to create a vintage farmhouse decor to our school. Let's continue. To make this piece smooth, I sand it out with my sanding block and add this glue is 6000 to attach them together. I waited few minutes to let the glue dry, and then I gave a good coat of black chalk paint all over this the door. Now it's no more a window, it's a door. Now let's jump to my backing for this DIY. I have this long rectangle piece of wood. I give a good coat of brown overlay wax to give some farmhouse look, and then a little bit when it dry I add cherry paint to give some charm vintage look too. Next, go back to my door. I flip it over. I add this piece of fabric, kind of curtain, make a curtain in the back, and I add this nautical rope to give some 3D look to my door, and pop it out. Look at this light. I get it from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna hot glue it all on top of this rope to give a charming look to my design. Now we have the two pieces. I have the door and the backing for this DIY. I glued two blocks or two Jenga blocks in the bottom in each side to add this fence that I got from Hobby Lobby. I cut a piece that fits the bottom, and I have this bent stick. I hot glue it in the bottom of this fence to close all around. And let's see, I add also a floral foam inside this fence, some greenery. I have this Christmas tree. I cut some branches to make like small trees, some white flowers. I cut more wordings from my Cricut machine to spell welcome to legal school. I have this small wooden heart. I'm gonna cover it with the same piece of fabric to add it on top of this project. I hot glue this heart fabric on top of this wooden heart, and I add the heart on top my project. I give some dimension. I add a block on back of the heart to give some uh, pop out look, and add this floral all around this heart. As you see, I put some stickers, cool stickers around, like this one. I love school. Some greenery en front the fence to cover the floral foam. Et voilà. I absolutely love it. I love all the detail that I add. Those stickers, the globe stickers, the book stickers, these pencils, the book bag, the sign of I love school. All these details make it cute. I would love to read your comment, guys. Let me know if you like it too. Let's jump to the second DIY now. My second DIY, I got inspired by my sweet friend Zena from IKEA Home DIY. She is very talented and she made very cute and simple wall decor sign. I immediately thought to use my spindles that I have at home from my old wooden shelf. She used wall sconces. She took off all the sconces pieces. She cut out a stencil from her Cricut machine to spin this word in. I still remember when I prayed for what I have now. I love this coat. And now let's see what I made. I have been using this sign from Dollar Tree and these spindles that I got from home. I am removing this piece from this sign to make it flat and cover the front of this sign with this adhesive paper. I cover all the face to make it neat like that. To work on the backing of the sign, I gave a good coat of white chalk paint in the back of the sign and let it dry. I painted my spindles as well to add it into my sign. When they are fully dry, I distress them with this sandpaper to give some rustic look to my sign. So I want to print this image that I made with Canva, and I made this wreath with some coat inside. I want to print this picture to make some decoupage technique. I have parchment paper, tape it on top of this printer paper. Voila, I got this one, transparent, I like it. To make easy decoupage on top of this sign, I add Mod Podge on top of my sign. I grab a piece of parchment paper, put it on top of my image with my mini iron angle over it to make it flat and stick it there. Voila! With the baby wipe, I distress my sign with this brown overlay wax to give some addition of rustic look, vintage look. I love it so far. Now it's time to add those spindles on each side with my wood glue and hot glue, and adhere them there. Attach them with these clumps. As you see in the bottom, I add a small brown heart that I got from Dollar Tree, adding some greenery on top of this heart. Give some warmth to this sign. I love it. To hang this beautiful wall decor, I add in this twine on the back to hang it like that. What do you think? I love it. I love how it turned out. I love this inspiring coat. Be thankful for what you have. You will end up having more. And I like all these details, and this greenery and heart really brings the piece to life. I would love to read your sweet comments, guys. If you like my video, please leave your comment below and leave me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. You have yourself a blessed day. Until my next video, bye and be safe. A bientôt. See you soon.